How to start your own composite rebar manufacturing business. We present to you a modern professional solution for launching your own composite building materials production. This is a perfect opportunity for anyone wondering what kind of business to start in 2025. If you're thinking about how to start your own production, there's no need to invest in expensive or complicated equipment. Unlike traditional steel, the main competitor in the market, composite rebar, is much more affordable and significantly lighter. The equipment takes up minimal space, requires only 2 to 3 operators, and has low energy consumption. There's also no need for warehouse machinery. The final products are compactly packed and approximately 9 times lighter than steel alternatives. The raw materials for fiberglass rebar production are widely available in almost every country. This makes launching a composite rebar manufacturing line both scalable and accessible. What you can produce. With our equipment, you can manufacture composite rebar, composite mesh, structural ties for construction. The composite materials market is growing rapidly, and demand for steel alternatives is rising. We offer turnkey production setup to help you launch a new facility or modernize an existing one. We provide full training for your staff on how to operate, adjust, and maintain the equipment. Products made using our machinery demonstrate excellent physical and mechanical properties that exceed current standards. Since 2011, we've been using this equipment at our own production site. It's been battle-tested through real daily operation. Every detail, from nuts to complex mechanical systems, is engineered for durability and ease of use. Our automation systems and precision instruments minimize human error and deliver consistent product quality under any conditions. The equipment is designed for round-the-clock operation without downtime or technical stops. Maintenance and support. Warranty and post-warranty service, readily available spare parts, round-the-clock technical support, simple maintenance with no need for highly skilled personnel. So if you're wondering what kind of production to start with low investment and high market demand, this could be the ideal solution. If you're ready to buy equipment for composite rebar production, get in touch with us. We'll help you launch a reliable and profitable business in the construction materials industry.